Hi all, today we are going to see how to make the face blur like this using OpenCV. I just open my PyCharm file, new project, type your project name, for me it's a camera, click create. You can create the project like this and the main.py file will be created. So now we have to install CV2. File, setting, Python interpreter, click plus, open CV Python, yeah, this one, and click install. I have already installed. My version is a 4.5.5. Click OK. So just start our coding. First import CV2, then capture the video. CV2 dot video capture is a 0 because I am using my laptop camera. If you are using external camera, you can use 1. While true, to iterate and get the image. First one is the status, the next one is the image. It's reading the image from the video. Now we have to show the image using ImShow. First one is the frame, then the image. Final thing, wait key. It's a 1 because it will wait until 1 millisecond for next iteration. We can set some width and height. This is a 3 for width, 1024, and 4 for a height. This is also 1024. The next, basically the camera look like just a mirror. If you are raising your right hand, it will show there as a left end, right? So we have to flip the camera. img cv2 dot flip image the code 1. Just check. Yeah, hi, my camera is working properly now. Next I am going to create the bounding box in my face. For that I have a predefined model .xml file. It's provided by CV2 only. They have provided some predefined model for the face, for the body tracking, and eye like. So here I am using tracking for the face. It's a simple thing. We have to initialize first. I am getting the path, then face cascade, cv2 dot cascade classifier is the path. So the initialization is done here. Next the faces, cv2 dot direct multiscale. Basically it will a response return the faces. First one have to provide image, next the scale factor, the final one is the minimum neighbor. I'm giving it 2, so up to 2% only it will detect. Now you can change this value also, depends on these faces will be provided. So for x, y, width and height in faces, final we have to create the bounding box using rectangular, image, and x, y is a starting point and the ending point x plus width, y plus height. Then color, I am choosing this color and the thickness is at 2. Yep. Now my face have a bounding boxes is have created. Next I am going to take this my face from separate. Next I am going to take my face only region of interest from image. Basically if you are print your image, it's all our array inside the array only. So particular place I am going to take from here y colon y plus with x colon sorry yeah, x colon plus width. Here is the height. Just check it's properly taking the image, or it's properly taking the face. Yes, it's take my face here. I just move my face here and there. It's tracking. It's taking my face. Now I need to blur this face and replace in this original image. I just command this one and blurring the face. I am using the Gaussian blur. First one is the image. Next one, the case size is a 23 I am providing. The next one is the 30. Actually, okay, it's not image. We are not going to blur entire image. It's the region of interest. The face only we need to blur. You can play around these numbers. You can see different like blurriness. Final thing, I have get the blurred face. Now I need to replace with my original image. Uh, so I need a shape because once you are blurred, the shape will be changed. Dot shape. This shape will be provided width and height and the color. Image from that y plus y colon y plus shape of 0, and the next one x plus shape of 1 equal to ROI. That region of interest, the face, blurred face, we are going to replace on this particular place. Right? I think it's fine. Let's try. Yeah, it's done. Basically, my face is blurred now. Yeah, whatever expected, it's coming. Thank you, guys. I hope you are learning something new from here. Thank you. Bye bye.